Welcome back to the Lemon Factor. I'm Chad, and today I'm here with our Mark V Toyota GR Supra. Although I really have enjoyed the 2023 Toyota GR Supra, our second of two project cars, I'm a little disappointed in the steering wheel. It has nice contours. It could be a little beefier up at the top. Feel like it's a little thin, but it's a little drab. It's a little boring, and it really doesn't stand out. And when you get into it, it doesn't give you the sense of that sports car feel that I'm looking for. And maybe you're looking for that too. A good, meaty, well-contoured, nice-looking, sporty steering wheel does wonders for your driving experience. And because of that, I'm going to upgrade our OEM steering wheel to an aftermarket steering wheel. And there's plenty of steering wheels out there to choose from, ranging maybe around $500 to over $1,000, depending on what you're looking for. So if you're looking for an upgraded steering wheel that just has a little bit more contour and maybe some carbon fiber to match the carbon fiber interior, you'll probably find them around the $500–600 range. If you're looking to really make your steering wheel stand out, if you're looking to match the rest of your cosmetic upgrades to your Toyota Supra, like I am, it may cost you a little bit more. It's going to cost you more for quality materials like Alcantara. If you're looking to go carbon fiber, if you're looking for a specific color stitching, etc., all of that's going to add up. And I did opt to go for a more customized steering wheel. And I'm glad I did, because it looks really, really good. And I can't wait to get it on the car. So in today's video, we are going to install an aftermarket steering wheel on our Mark V Toyota GR Supra. Oh. So as you can see, I did opt for the flat bottom steering wheel. I love the flat bottom in any car, adds a added touch of sportiness. I went with perforated leather on the sides, and I wanted the accents of the carbon fiber to match the rest of the interior. And as you all know, the accents on our 2023 Stratosphere Blue is yellow. So I added some yellow stitching, the yellow 12 or noon marker, and the yellow GR. So what you're doing is you're pushing in on that, and there's going to be a spring in here that you're pushing in on the spring. May take a couple tries, but you're going to do it on this side, then you're going to do the same on the other side. So with a little pressure, pushing on the airbag on the horn, we'll push this in, and we'll push on that spring. That should pop out. Now I have to say, that wasn't as easy as it may appear. It took me a little bit of time, like 15–20 minutes. Definitely press down firmly in the middle of the airbag, the horn here, right where the emblem is, while you're pushing in on that spring. Do the left side first. That seemed fine for me. The right side also seemed okay to release the top part, and there's three sections you're trying to release. It's the bottom part that was giving me the most trouble. So now that it's disconnected, carefully flip it over. There's 2 wires in here, wire connectors that you need to disconnect, and then take this out and you'll be able to put this off to the side for now. Not what I was hoping to see. I was expecting to see a 16mm bolt, and instead we have what appears to be a T60 Torx, and I don't think I have a T60 Torx. I have my T60 Torx, and you may need a breaker bar. I was able to break this loose just by hand, holding onto the steering wheel with my knees. I don't know if If you like this video, if you found it helpful, if you found it entertaining, if you want to help support the Lemon Factor, please consider hitting that super thanks button that can be found at the bottom of the video. Okay, wow, looks good. Now we'll plug in all of our wire connectors. We'll take our bolt, and I'm going to apply some Loctite on this, and we'll torque this down. Now we're going to take our airbag and horn. Remember, we have two connectors here. Going to connect these in, white to white, yellow to the clip back here. And then we'll center this, firmly press. Now I'm going to go on the back. I will reattach the negative battery terminal. It feels nice. Love the deep contours and the perforated leather. The top part is much thicker than OEM. I like the noon marker. However, I feel like it's a little off, a little to the left, not perfectly centered. Part of me doesn't want to measure to find out. Overall, I give the steering wheel probably a 9 out of 10. The leather up here is puckering. It doesn't match the back part of the steering wheel as cleanly as I would like, or as the OEM would. The top here, the plastic centerpiece right up here sticking out a little bit. And I tried doing everything I could to get that tucked under. It just feels so much nicer. You have that, you know, whether it's 3 and 9, kind of 10 and 2 up here. You have different feeling and grip down at the bottom. And I really enjoy the flat bottom. Prior to the steering wheel, it was a sea of black plastic and various textures, I guess, but very dull. And this breaks it up a lot just with the added color and the carbon fiber continuing from the center onto the steering wheel. So with that said, I think we're done for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like and share. Thank you for joining, and until next time.